Hey guys, thanks for watching today's video. If you want to see more from us, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. We found this nice little taco spot right next to our hotel where we're staying here in the central or downtown of Tulum. We have green juices for $1, which is awesome. I love starting my day with a good, healthy green juice, celery and broccoli and orange juice, even though orange isn't green, but you get the idea. It gives a little extra flavor. Everything natural, everything fresh, really good. They also have here little homemade tacos. The tacos are very full and thick and delicious. They have different options. They have vegan options, they have vegetarian, they also have meat if you like meat, so you can try all these different options. And the tacos are like 50 cents each, so they're really good. It's literally one block from our hotel down here right in the center of Tulum, and we're really enjoying it. We actually came here yesterday for the first day and we really enjoyed it, so we decided to come back. You can also get a water with different fruit flavored in it, and it's only $1 for a huge jug of it. So it's a nice place that's reasonably priced, it's affordable, and I just want to show you that here in Tulum things are more expensive than other places in Mexico, but you can find little hidden spots, little mom and pop shops by local Mexican people, and the prices are really good and it's still really healthy and we're really enjoying it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up like button down below, and thanks so much for doing that in advance. Also, if you have any questions or comments, make sure you leave those down below in the comment section. If you have any suggestions for future videos that you'd like to see, leave those as well in a comment down below. I'll get to those as soon as I can. Don't forget to share this video on social media with friends.